A recipe for a hot dog. Hot diggity dog by me. Servings 6 persons. Prep time 15 minutes. Cook time 11 minutes. Ingredients: bread, weenies, ketchup, mustard. Directions. First, I get weenies and put it on a pan and it gets toasted. Then I put the toasted weenies and put it in on the breads. Next, I see if I have everything that it needs, and then I put mustard and ketchup on my hot dog. After that, my dad and me will check it if we did it right. Finally, I give it to the person who asked for it. Notes. Now I know how to do a good recipe hot dog. I recommend this recipe because unique and because it looks good. The hot dog is a marker, and then I wrapped it with
a recipe for mustard hot dog by Mia Guerrero. Servings 1 person, prep time 10 minutes, and cook time 5 minutes. 1 bun, 1 wiener, mustard and ketchup. First, boil the wiener, then grab the bun and put in the hot dog. Next, add ingredients, ketchup and mustard. After that, set on a plate to serve. Finally, you can start eating. I recommend this recipe because I made it and it came out good. Notes. Next time I will add more flavor. As you can see, I painted my hot dog. I made it out of noodles. I put it on the paper to dry, and now I put some little mustard, and I called it the mustard hot dog.
A recipe for hot dog by Leonardo Montan. Ingredients: bun, weenie, ketchup, mustard. Directions: first, I get a bun. Then I get a weenie. Next, I put the weenie inside the bun. After that, I put it in the oven. Finally, I have my hot dog. I recommend this recipe because it's like a project.
A recipe for a hot dog by Saul Islas. Ingredients: bread, sausages, mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. Direction: I heat the bread with butter at a temperature of 240. Then I dry the sausages of a temperature 350. Next, with the time 245 minutes. After that, I put mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. Finally, I eat it. Notes. Finally, you can enjoy with this jalapeno something. I recommend this. I recommended this recipe because it's delicious. My hot dog is with bread. I put mayonnaise and have a little hat, and that's all.
Recipe for a hot dog by Vianney Gutierrez. Servings 1. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Ingredients: bread, wiener, mustard, ketchup, relish. First, you cook the wiener for 3 minutes. Then you put it in the bread. Next, grab mustard. After that, put ketchup. Finally, add relish. Notes: I like it because it is easy to make. I recommend this recipe because it's delicious.
A recipe for my hot dog by Mikel Travino. Servings 2, prep time 15 minutes, cook time 20 minutes. Ingredients: hot dog buns, mustard, ketchup, wieners, relish, onions. Directions: chop up the onions, grill the wieners and the onions. Heat the buns, place the onions and the wiener, the hot dog buns. Then you add a line of ketchup and mustard. The hot dog is ready. Wash your hands before prepping. I recommend this recipe. It was made by me. A recipe for a hot dog by Nathan Ramirez. Serving 1 per time a minute. Cook time 5 minutes. Ingredients: bread, wiener, mustard, ketchup, and radish. The ingredients: I cook the wiener, then I put the wiener on the bun and add the ingredients. Next, I put the mustard. After that, I put the ketchup too. Finally, I put on all of it. I put the then I put the radish. Notes: and enjoy your hot dog. Listening to this review is because I want to people to create it, to enjoy it.
A recipe for hot dog by Medina Manta. Servings 3, prep time 3 minutes, cook time 5 minutes. Ingredients: bread, cheese, olives, ketchup, mustard. First, I grabbed my ingredients. Then I boiled the hot dog. Next, when it was done boiling, I took it out and let it cool down. After that, I assembled my hot dog. Finally, it was all ready to eat. Enjoy. I recommend this recipe because it's a classic hot dog with easy ingredients.
A recipe for hot dog by Cho Gutierrez. Ingredients: bread, wiener, mustard. First, make the bun, make the wiener, put mustard, make sure it's done. It's a hot dog. I recommend this recipe because it's great.
Preheat one pan in medium heat with a little bit of oil. Another pan with no oil. Some heat. Then put the buns in the pan with no oil and sausage in the pan with oil. Turn every 30 seconds. Shear the cheese and put onions in between turnings. After that, turn off pans and get everything ready to be assembled. Finally, assemble everything: one sausage, cheese, and then on bun, the bun, any sausage will melt the cheese. Here's tasty and easy. Sausage, mustard, and
Cheese, right?
For hot dog by Chris Villalobos.
Servings 2. Prepper time 1 minute. Cook time 5 minutes.
Ingredients.
Ingredients: wieners, hot dogs, buns, ketchup. First, brew wieners on stove. Then turn. Next, place wiener in bun. After that, place hot dog on plate. Finally, top with ketchup. It is easy and good.
I make my hot dogs with. I cook it on the stove. I put the mustard and the onion and I cook it.
A recipe for a hot dog by Ana Gonzalez. Ingredients: bread, hot dog, fries, jalapeno, tomato, and onion, and ketchup. First, modeling bread, the hot dog. Next, prepare the. After that, pour ketchup. Finally, it's done. I recommend this recipe because it's easy to make.